In today's video, we're going to share with you 10 incredible glow-up tips specifically for men that can completely transform your life. Get ready to level up and become the best version of yourself with these life-changing tips. The first tip is to take care of your skin. Establish a skincare routine tailored to your skin type, including cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Don't forget to exfoliate regularly, and always wear sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. A healthy and radiant complexion will boost your confidence and make you glow from within. Next, hit the gym. Regular exercise not only improves your physical health but also boosts your mood and confidence. Incorporate weightlifting, cardio, and flexibility exercises into your routine to build strength and improve your overall fitness. Remember, a fit body not only looks great but also makes you feel great. It's time to update your wardrobe and dress to impress. Pay attention to your personal style and invest in quality clothing that fits you well. Experiment with different colors and patterns to express your personality. Remember, when you look good, you feel good, and others will take notice too. Upgrade your grooming routine by taking care of your hair, beard, and overall hygiene. Get regular haircuts, style your hair, and keep your facial hair well groomed. Maintain proper oral hygiene and pay attention to small details like plucking stray eyebrows. Stand out from the crowd with a polished and put-together appearance. Good posture is often underestimated, but it can make a world of difference in how you look and feel. Stand up straight, pull your shoulders back, and hold your head high. Not only will this make you appear more confident, but it will also prevent back pain and other posture-related issues. Communication skills play a crucial role in personal and professional success. Practice active listening, maintain eye contact, and speak clearly and confidently. Develop the ability to articulate your thoughts and ideas effectively, and you'll notice a positive change in your relationships and opportunities. Never stop learning. Whether it's through reading books, attending workshops, or taking online courses, continuous education is key to personal growth. Expand your knowledge, develop new skills, and stay up to date with the latest trends and industry insights. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who believe in your dreams. Cultivate relationships that uplift and inspire you. Cut ties with toxic individuals who bring you down. Remember, you become the average of the people you spend the most time with, so choose wisely. Embrace new experiences and step out of your comfort zone. Push yourself to try new activities, explore different hobbies, and meet new people. Growth happens when we challenge ourselves and embrace uncertainty. Break free from limitations and discover a whole new world of possibilities. Lastly, take time for self-care. Prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. Take breaks, practice meditation or mindfulness, and engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish but essential for personal growth and happiness. And that wraps up our 10 life-changing glow-up tips for men. We hope you found valuable insights and inspiration to level up your life. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.